How drones are rewriting modern warfare. For centuries, military power was measured in size: larger armies, heavier armor, more advanced aircraft. Power belonged to nations that could build more and spend more. But today, a machine that fits inside a backpack can destroy a tank worth millions. No pilot, no runway, no warning. Modern warfare has entered a new phase, and drones are at the center of it. Unmanned aerial systems were once used mainly for surveillance, but over the last decade, their role has transformed. Drones are no longer just watching wars, they are fighting them. From regional conflicts to major battlefields, drones have reshaped tactics and military doctrine. This is not just a technological upgrade, it is a structural shift in how wars are fought. Do you believe drones will eventually replace traditional fighter jets? Or will they remain support tools? Share your perspective in the comments. The first transformation drones introduced was economic. Traditional fighter aircraft can cost tens of millions of dollars. Advanced tanks cost millions more, but many combat drones cost a fraction of that. This changes the risk calculation. Commanders can deploy drones aggressively. Losing one is acceptable. Losing a jet is not. Warfare is no longer only about firepower. It is about cost efficiency. Drones have reduced uncertainty on the battlefield. Real-time aerial surveillance exposes troop movements and supply lines. If every movement can be seen, does that make wars shorter or more lethal? Beyond economics and surveillance, drones introduce precision. Small explosive payloads can strike vehicles and positions with accuracy. The next stage is emerging: drone swarms. Multiple autonomous systems operating simultaneously. Artificial intelligence is accelerating this shift. Major powers are now investing heavily in counter-drone systems. Because the next war will not just be fought with drones, it will be fought against them. Drones are not replacing armies, they are reshaping them. But one question remains: if autonomous systems begin making decisions faster than humans can react, who truly controls the battlefield?